It's 5:30 a.m. I'm at a place called Pagham on the south coast, and here it comes. Alright, at the beach for a few days. Chin chin. That's how close to the beach I am. Marvellous. Let's go and make the most of it. £7 spent and we've got a blue squishy unicorn.
We had 180 tickets, so she turned it up to 200.
We did. Thank you, Pagham.
12 seconds later.
This is sea kale, and there's tons of it here. And if you fry it up, especially these little flowery stalks, it tastes like nutty broccoli. Let's do it. There we go. What a haul. So first off, I'm going to cut these up a little bit, just to give them a better frying all round. Here we go. I don't know if I'm going to eat all of these actually, I'll just have my lunch. I'm going to cut them into little more manageable pieces and then whack them in the pan. Smells delicious. Good filming there, mate. Put some of that on. The moment of truth, let's try it. We've got peppered garlic sea kale.
think I'm going to use this to wash away the taste of ink. Call me, ladies.
You gonna drive off?
Yeah.
Bye. Oh, I think one more on top of there, it'll be lovely. Here we go, here we go. I can do this. I can do Wow, that goes a long way.
What? That's long.
Mind your feet, and that could be very
Good.
Hey! So why are we going back to the shops? A kite.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You
Cheers.
too.
Look at that, hold it up. Oh my god. We didn't get a kite, that was £17. Right, I've made him a kite. Let's have a look. Whee! Yeah, here we go. Hours of fun. Right, the kite went down like a lead balloon, so I bought him a frisbee. Whee! It's 5:30 AM and I'm the only person on this beach. Waiting for the sunrise. Special time of day.
Your days are numbered. Use them to throw open the windows of your soul to the sun. If you do not, the sun will soon set, and you with it.